Good morning, everybody. It's nice to see you all again. All right, we're going to get started with our morning message today. Okay, so a couple of things that we're going to be doing today for our morning message. One, we're going to be looking at the punctuation. What are the three types of punctuations that we remember? We got period, exclamation point, makes it sound exciting, and a question mark. Those are the three that we're looking at, okay, for our morning message. Last thing that we'll be looking at are rainbow words, of course. Okay, so like I've said before, I'm not just going to stick to one color of rainbow words because some of us are moving on to other colors pretty quickly. Other of us are taking our time. Both ways are just fine. Okay, so I'm just going to be sprinkling out some rainbow words from all the different colors into our morning message. All right, let's go ahead and let's get into it. My turn. Good morning, class. Your turn. My turn. Today is Thursday. Your turn. My turn. How do you feel today? Your turn. So in my class, every day, my students have a Post-it note, okay, that's on their desk. And they have their name written on it, and on that Post-it note, they take it after they finish their morning work. They go up to my whiteboard, and I have a poster that I made with different pictures of emojis. Okay, one is nervous, one's excited, one's angry, one's happy, one's sleepy, one's sad. Okay, so those are the most common emotions that our students can identify with, and there's pictures of each. Okay, and so they take that Post-it note and they walk up and they put their Post-it note under which emoji that they're feeling at that moment today. Sometimes they're feeling sad. Sometimes they're feeling excited or happy. Okay? Do we always know why we feel a certain way? Not always. We don't always know why we feel what we feel. Okay? So that's part of kindergarten, is exploring our emotions and being able to voice what we're feeling and why we're feeling like that. Okay? So I want you to turn to your neighbor. Could be your parent, could be your sibling, could be your pet, could be your favorite stuffed animal. Whatever you've got next to you that you would like to tell, I want you to tell them how you feel today. I'll give you a few seconds. Okay, now one of the things about school is getting used to talking about our emotions and being able to voice those emotions, okay? So I hope that you're telling someone today why you feel the way that you do. We're feeling a lot of different things right now, not being able to go to school, okay? Not being able to leave our house to go to the playgrounds, or going to different stores might give us a little bit of nervousness, okay? Anxiety about going to different places, or seeing different people. We get a little scared of that right now, okay? And that's okay to feel like that. It's okay for us to also be able to recognize what we're feeling and tell somebody what we're feeling, and if you can, why do you feel that way? Okay? It's good to tell someone and to talk it out. Okay? All right, let's continue on with our morning message. My turn. Are you getting lots of sleep? Your turn. I'd like you to turn to that neighbor that you just told them about your feelings and tell them, are you getting lots of sleep? Now let's think about that question. Is that a yes-no question, or is that a question of what you're going to tell us all about your sleep? That's a yes-no question. So, yes, you're getting lots of sleep. No, you're not getting lots of sleep. Turn and tell them. Getting lots of sleep. Now, I know as part of one of my emoji faces that we have on our chart, one of them is tired, okay? And I usually get 2, 3, maybe 4 students max who are feeling tired, okay, on a certain morning. Usually it's on a Monday. They're feeling tired. I get more on that day, and this is all really good data for teachers, but also definitely for parents, okay? You should be recognizing when it's a good amount of sleep and when it's not, and what you can do, okay? If you are getting lots of sleep because you're not going to school, so you don't have to wake up as early anymore, maybe that's a good thing for you. Maybe you're not getting lots of sleep because you're sleeping too long. Just because you're not going to school doesn't mean you get to sleep in until 12 o'clock in the afternoon, okay? So probably a good thing is to keep your same amount of sleep as you do when you're going to school. Keep our bodies healthy and strong, okay? Sleep is so important. It's important to how our day is going to go. Just as important as breakfast, right? Breakfast is our most important meal, gets our brains ready for the day, makes sure that we're not distracted because our stomachs are hungry, and we're not always thinking about lunch, okay? So, lots of sleep, very, very important. All right, let's continue on with our morning message. My turn. Today, we will learn a new math game. Your turn. So this new math game that we're going to be learning is something called Just Right Number, okay? So I'm going to be making a playlist on my channel at some point of different games that goes with our Just Right Number, okay? So I'm going to do an introductory video of that a little later today, and I'll post that up. But there's only so many materials that I'm able to take from my school to my house, and that was well over 2 weeks ago. And so that, whatever I've got at home, that's all I've got. And guess what? Most parents have the exact same materials. And so it's okay if you don't have the exact same materials that I have. You can do whatever you need. That's the great thing about all the videos that I'll be posting. Rainbow words. They don't have to be the exact ones that I have. They could be whatever you've got lying around. Okay? So, let's go ahead, move on from our that sentence. Just Right Number video will be coming up a little later today. My turn. Today, we will check on the garden. Your turn. So, I posted a few videos close to a week ago of some videos of my garden that's on my deck. About some plants that we planted, some seeds, but also the thing called the sun bowl experiment, right? Where the sun bowl was draping down, and I wanted to see if it would go straight back up. Because I do know that there are some plants that will drape down when they're not in the sunlight, and then they'll come right back up when the sun comes, okay? So we'll talk about, is that going to happen today? And we'll see. Okay, we'll do a quick little video of that. My turn. What are your predictions? Your turn. What are your predictions for the plants? Do you think that the seeds are starting to grow? Do you think that the sun ball is standing up? Or do you think, no, it's still down? Do you think that the Thai peppers, that they've started growing? Okay. We'll look at all of our plants, see what's going on with them. Parents, this is one of the things that you can be doing at home. Go get a pack of seeds. They cost $1.50 from the grocery store. Take those seeds, put them in a mug. We all have lots of mugs that we actually don't always use, okay? And one of the things that I was going to be doing after spring break was I was going to line my window in my classroom with a bunch of old mugs that I have that are mix match, put some soil in it, and I was going to have that as a class job called the gardener, okay? But what are you going to do? We only have so much time. And so instead of doing that at school, we're doing it here. We were going to do observations and predictions. How long is it going to take for something to grow? Will anything grow? Okay? These are all things that you can be doing at home as well. Okay? It doesn't cost much money, and it's a great learning experience for our students, and it's a great tool for us to be writing our observations in our journals. Okay? Rainbow sight words again. We can use a lot of rainbow sight words to come up with our sentence frames, okay? These are all great things that we can be doing at home. All right, let's go ahead and finish up our morning message. Then we're going to talk about our punctuations and our rainbow words in here, okay? All right, my turn. Let's have a fun day. Your turn. My turn. From Mr. S. Your turn. All right, so let's jump right in. We're going to use the green marker for our punctuation. So there's 3 types that we talk about in kindergarten. We've got this one. What's that one called? Period. That's right. We've got this one. Exclamation point. Last one, my favorite one to write. Question mark. Okay? So, period, exclamation point, question mark. They tell us what the sentence is, especially the question mark lets us know that it's a question that I'm asking you. Okay? A period is usually a statement, and an exclamation point is something that's exciting that's happening. So, let's go through word by word, and we'll talk about each sentence and what that punctuation is. Okay? We're not going to worry about commas or colons or semicolons or parentheses. We're just going to worry about the end punctuation. Okay? Oh, we've got one here. Which one is that? Period, exclamation point, or question mark? Exclamation point. That's right. So that means that this sentence is exciting. And here is the sentence. When I say it, it's going to sound exciting when I read it. Today is Thursday. You hear how my voice got louder and higher as I was saying the sentence? Today is Thursday. That's an exciting thing. So, exclamation point. Let's move on. We've got one here. How do you feel today? Without me even telling you, you should know by listening that that should be a question mark. It's a question. How do you feel today? Okay? Our question mark caps off our sentence for what the question is. Okay? Let's go to our next one. Ooh, here's another. What's that punctuation? That's right, question mark. Okay? Ooh, got another one. Just a dot. What is that one? A period. That's right. So that's just a statement. Okay? A question mark asking a question. Exclamation point is an exciting thing that's happening. So this is a statement. Today we will learn a new math game. That's a statement. We're going to learn a new math game today. Okay? So that's our statement. Let's move on. Oh, we got one here. Exclamation point. That's an exciting thing. Okay? What's exciting? Let's read it. Today we will check on the garden. That's an exciting thing. It's exciting to go look out at science that's happening in our lives, okay? We're in a whole new season now of spring. Things are starting to grow back. They're coming back to life, okay? So winter is all done. It might feel like winter's still a little cold, rain, but we do still have days that are sunny and warm, and that brings things back to life. So that's an exciting thing. Oh, another question mark. I'm asking you a question. Okay? What are your predictions? That's the question. And last one. Oh, another exclamation point. Let's have a fun day. That's an exciting thing. I want you to have a fun day, and fun should have an exclamation point. Okay? If I just put a period, then it would sound like this. Let's have a fun day. That's a statement. That doesn't sound very fun. We want to make sure it's exciting, right? All right, now let's go through rainbow words. Okay, remember, they're not all from one color. A lot of them are going to be red or purple or whatever, okay? So as we go through them, let's find them together, and then we'll count them up, okay? Good morning, class. Today is, that's a rainbow word. That's a red rainbow word. Thursday. How, that's a rainbow word. Where's that one? That is... that is a blue rainbow word. Okay? Do. That is a rainbow word. And which color is that one? There's so many. A blue one again. Sorry. I'm looking at the rainbow because I can't remember all 60 of them of which ones are which colors. Oh, another one. You. That's a rainbow word. That's a red rainbow word. Feel today. R is a rainbow word. And R is a orange word. You, blue, getting lots of. That is a red rainbow word. Sleep. Today, we is a rainbow word. Let's see, what color is we? That is a green rainbow word. Will learn a red rainbow word. Oh, back up. Will is a rainbow word. Blue rainbow word. New math game. Today, we. Which color is we again? Just had it. Oh, green. Green rainbow word. Will. Another one. That's a blue. Check on. This one is on. Orange rainbow word. The is a red rainbow word. Garden. What is a green rainbow word? R is a, where'd it go? Orange rainbow word. How about your? Is that a rainbow word? It sure is. That is a green rainbow word. Predictions. Let's have. That is a rainbow word. Which color is have? That's a yellow rainbow word. A red rainbow word. Fun day. From. And from is a yellow rainbow word. Mr. S. Look at all those rainbow words. Whoa. Let's count them up. Well, let's say them and then we'll count them up. Is, how, do, you, are, you, of, we, will, a, we, will, on, the, what, are, your, have, a, from. Great job reading those with me. Now let's go ahead and let's count them up. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20 rainbow words. Awesome. I think yesterday was 16 if I'm not mistaken. So, awesome job. Way to go. And I'll see you all a little later today.